Hey, Princess.
Yeah?
You know our Hoover really, really smells. I don't know what is wrong with this guy, man.
Yeah, I think we should open it up.
I think he actually needs to go and have a bath.
Oh, what do you think?
I think, yeah.
His bag might not be in there.
Yep, I think we've sucked something up and now it's really smelling up our Hoover.
Yeah.
So, hey Spidey,
What?
can you go get a bag for Henry so we can empty him inside?
Okay.
You think you know how to get that open?
Yeah. Hey, you
Perfect.
bag. Where's this Henry?
Take that lid off.
This lid is really heavy.
Alright.
Let's just get the bag.
Oh no, I'm scared.
I don't get the bag quickly. Where's it? Oh, well, let me just go get it.
Get a bag for him, please. Get a bag because I don't know. Like, I emptied this literally a couple of days ago, guys. And when I emptied it, there was some rotten
I
stuff.
actually don't know where the bag is by myself.
Hey, Princess, we've got a bag. Let's just use this bag.
Okay,
An old
let's
bag.
open it.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
that's not too bad. I'm sorry, Spider-Man. You won't be able to use your mask again because that's going to have to go in the bin.
no, it's clean.
No, chuck it straight in the bin. It stinks. That. Oh my gosh, guys! If you guys had smell-o-vision, and you could smell our Henry, OMG! This needs a bath. This needs an actual shower.
Yeah.
This needs a disinfectant
It's really
bath.
sure that I don't want this.
I do not want this, Henry, guys. I am so sorry, Henry, but you are
It's not bad.
literally
It's not that bad like last
stinking.
time.
No, can you not smell that?
Yeah, but inside it's not that bad. No. It's just that.
All right, so look, you take this nostril off,
Nostril. It's not full of nostril.
like the hose or the nose.
People have nostrils.
I know, so does Henry. So that's off. Princess, take that white thing off. Yeah, and hold that white thing for me. Yeah. And Princess, if you can hold this so I can just empty the Henry into the bag. Yeah.
Oh.
And you get half of him in it at least. Oh, look at that.
Still so much dust.
Let's take him to a bathroom. Pick him up, Princess. Let's go.
Are you sure? I want to pick this thing up.
Let's go. Let's take him to the bathroom.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to shower him. Guys, live, first time we're gonna shower that Henry Hoover. We need to shower him. Alright, so here's the dirty Henry, guys. And start off by giving him a quick rinse off, yeah? He's gonna need a quick rinse off, guys. Hot water. Look at that plastic. Let's open this drainage system up. Yeah. Put that drainage out. Alright. Doing a little quick. Oh! I don't know if you guys can see this. If you guys can have a look at that. Have a look at that. OMG. That is right. Oh, guys, Henry, what have you done? Stand him up. Get the water through the nose. Get right in there. Alright, let's stand him up. Oh. Guys, Henry is going to become brand new today. What do you say, Adam?
Yeah. Henry is going to get there.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is absolutely brutal. Adam, you got any cleaning products? Anything like... How are we going to get this muck off? Look, it's proper stucking on the side, guys. This, guys, you just do this, yeah? Watch this. Look at that. That's absolutely horrific, Adam.
Yeah.
That's absolutely OMG. Watch this, guys. Oh, that is gross. That is absolutely disgusting. I can't deal with this anymore. We need to get something, Uzi. This might do, guys. Found these bamboo skewers. Let's go if this see if this works. Alright. There we go. Okay. Roll up those sleeves. Bamboo stick, guys. Yeah. Bamboo stick out. Yeah. Look at that. Clean it all out. Yeah. Oh, this is absolutely horrific. Terrifying. It's gonna leave me trauma. Oh my gosh, I do not know what happened here. And I'm so sorry you guys have to witness this, okay? This is not how we treat Henry Hoovers, okay? Henry Hoovers matter to us. OMG. Oh my gosh, it's getting a minty smell. Some kind of minty, oh, I do not know. I do not know why. Get that out. Oh. That. Guys. That is bad. He's still not done. Still got bits and bobs. Izzy, hold the shower head for me. Put the shower head in the Hoover. We need him in the Hoover, mate. Some very dots. In it. Hey, keep it down, Don't spray it out, Clean the bathtub up. Yeah, let me clean the bathtub up. Rinse them out. Alright. Guys. Henry.
It's like so fun. Like that was literally so fun. Yeah. Henry saw me.
Look at that brand
Henry
spanking new. Last bit of dirt. Okay.
I don't know that's water fountain.
Hey, stop spraying it. You're soaking me up, Lizzie. Get Henry in. Do the last bits. The last bits, guys. Let's let them dry up. Come on.